Dust, rain, and pollution steadily reduce solar panel power output. On uncoated solar panels, rainwater easily lingers, leaving mineral water stains and dirt buildup. One technician rinses with pure water, another wipes with microfiber. Solar panels left clean and smooth. IPA removes oil, stains, and fingerprints, ensuring a clean, smooth surface for coating adhesion. After surface cleaning, JAS-LGC coating is evenly applied, forming a transparent protective layer through molecular bonding. Compared surfaces show dual-layer coating with the strongest hydrophobicity. Water beads roll off fast, removing dust. Uncoated panels foul and stain over time, while coated surfaces remain clean and bright for longer. After coating, a simple pure water rinse removes dust and restores cleanliness, no scrubbing needed. After coating, surface temperature drops about 3 degrees Celsius, reducing heat loss and aging while maintaining stable output. Long-term tests show coated modules keep over 97% efficiency, far higher than uncoated panels. JAS-LGC Nano Coating keeps solar panels cleaner, more efficient, and longer lasting. Contact us to learn more about JAS-LGC Nano Coating and solar performance solutions.